So I don't know how clear this is going to come out, but today's November 5th, Friday, and after 4 days of kitchen repairs, this is what I'm left with. My disaster of a kitchen, and that, and no hot water. Just a drip. And the problem in the first place was flooding, which is back, because the hot water is gushing out of that right there. I don't know why the plumbers didn't check anything before they let the other guy come in and patch everything up. But I'm having a nervous breakdown. I can't deal with this shit.